Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you fix TikTok Shop the date of birth? Well, it's really simple. So, bear with me on this one. Now, as you might know, when you try to check on the PC version, when you try to check the analytics here and also the store info, you can see that there are no options to why that is, and the answer to that is it's all in your phone. So basically the account on your phone that's connected to your cell center, that's where you need to change it. So let's go here and let's go to privacy. Once you go to privacy, we'll be changing it here. So once you'll be clicking it on this side right here, it'll be automatically here on the manage account. You'll be changing your date of birth. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.